Alright, so let's say it's the year 2009 and your 10-year-old Windows XP laptop is driving you crazy and you just said screw it and bought a brand new dual-core AMD machine. But at that time, Windows Vista ruined Windows' reputation 1 or 2 years ago, and being in the early 2009, Windows 7 hasn't come out yet. So you think, what else can I put on my brand spanking new laptop? Linux? Nah, too complicated. Mac OS? Yes, but it only runs on Macs, and those Macs have Intel CPUs in them. At least they used to be. Surely I wouldn't be able to install Mac OS on my dual-core AMD machine. Well, Hackintoshing had in fact been around for quite some time, so surely there had to be a way to install Mac OS on a bug standard x86 Intel or AMD CPU. So in today's video, we're going to try just that. Alright, so this is the beast of the machine we're gonna use, and it's an old Acer Aspire 5536. So yeah, let's go ahead and power this thing on. As you can see, just a beast of a machine with an AMD Athlon X2 dual-core QL65 at 2.10 GHz with a non-hard drive. Yeah, I kind of forgot this thing doesn't have a hard drive at the moment, so I'm gonna need to find one. So yeah, see you in about, I don't know, a week when I find one. So yeah. Alright, we now have a drive in the system. Let's see if it even recognizes it. I mean, it should. Huh. Hang on, wait, what? It appears that in the BIOS it does not pick it up, but maybe that's because, well, there's nothing on the drive. I mean, I don't know. Nope, even Windows doesn't see it. The only things here are like the DVD drive and the USB drive I'm currently booted on. Well, it still doesn't pick it up, even though it is definitely in there. So I am gonna try to just like unplug it and yeah, it is in there. So I'm just gonna try and plug it back in, make sure it's all the way in. See if it made a difference. Oh, so yeah, unplugging it and plug it back in did the job. So let's get to installing macOS now. Now, as for flavors of these Hackintosh distros, I am gonna start with i80KOS Snow Leopard, which is S3 version 7, I think. So just awkwardly put it in this drive here and see if it even boots. Okay. CD drive or DVD rather, I don't know. Nope. Oh, there we go. S3 version 2. I have a feeling that this might not boot. Okay, let's try resetting. Okay, press any key. Give it a minute. Yeah, this disk is not burning. Yeah, this disk is not booting, so I think I have another one, so I'm just gonna try that one out. Never mind, I did not find the other disk, so we're just gonna downgrade a version to i80KOS version 7 Leopard, which I've had decent luck with it on other machines before, so yeah, let's hope it also does well here. I'm just gonna move that a little bit here. Okay, OS not found. That's fine because there isn't any OS here. Okay, pressing key to start up. Loading Darwin x86. Not bad. Well, it's certainly better than last time, so let's actually hope it works. Something is telling me this is also not going to work, but I have a good feeling, so let's wait a bit more. Told ya. And we are in the modified installer of macOS Leopard. That is not the original wallpaper, as you might know. And okay, let's next. Yep, preparing macOS Leopard installation. Let's actually hope that this thing goes well and we can actually install it. I have read that i80KOS does support AMD hardware, so that's the point we're trying to achieve, to install macOS on an AMD system. We'll click continue. And before that we have to partition the disk, so I will accept it later. If actual disk utility loads. Yep, there we go. Erase macOS extended journal. Let's give it a name. Let's not leave it untitled. As you can see, very original. We'll click erase. Erase. There we go. We have our partition now. Let's exit out. Agree. And we'll click continue. Now we are gonna click on customize, since there are some drivers that this thing might need. So yeah. Bootloader. Okay. I don't know what any of these are, but I'm gonna go to the drivers. VGA. We do have an ATI, so I'm just gonna, I mean, there's only one driver, so we have an ATI GPU. Yes, we have a ATI dedicated GPU, and there's only one driver, so I'm just gonna click out. Click on done, and we'll click on install. Yep, we're installing, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hope. Oh no, it froze. Oh, never mind, it not froze. It's checking the installation DVD. You know what? I always skip this when I install macOS, which I've done a fair share of in the past. But you know what? I'll let it check the installation DVD, even though it's gonna take like 20 plus minutes. So yeah, well, that definitely didn't took like 25 minutes. So yeah, we're done. Let's restart. And I don't know if it's configured to boot from the CD drive or the hard drive, so it's gonna take the disk out while we're still restarting. That's definitely not a bad idea. Oh, yep, we have Chandermelon or whatever that bootloader was. I'm not gonna take the disk out, I don't feel like it. Oh, we have a different Apple logo now. Yeah, Apple is very innovative with their boot screens. Now I think this is supposed to load, and then we're gonna get to the macOS's OOBE. So yeah, waiting 10 minutes for this thing to boot up again. So yeah, nice. I really like it when the thing you're trying to do just doesn't work. It's been sitting like this for about 5 minutes without the pinwheel actually coming up and spinning. So I'm gonna leave it like this for a couple more minutes, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna try something else. Well, it appears that this is not gonna work since it's taking far more than expected. It's been sitting like this for about 25 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm currently downloading an ISO for iDenip, which is the same distro that MJD used in his videos actually, and I'm gonna burn it. But since I don't have an available CD/DVD burner at the moment, I'm gonna install Windows on this laptop and I'm gonna burn it then. So yeah, enjoy this little time lapse of me installing Windows on this laptop.